Raindrops fall like silent tears, a melody of vanished years. The piano hums a lonesome tune beneath the pale and weeping moon. Oh, sorrow sings in shades of gray, whispering all I couldn't say. The night is long, the pain is deep, but even storms must learn to weep. Oh, sorrow sings in shades of gray, whispering all I couldn't say. The night is long, the pain is deep, but even storms must learn to weep. Time won't heal, it only fades. Every scar the past has made, yet in the rain I hear a call, a voice that says to lose it all.